Question number 7 of height and distance chapter. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at a point of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. See the question number. A 20-meter high building and height of the tower. The angle of elevation is 45 degree and distance x and angle of elevation 60 degree of the top of the tower, and top of the building and angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. The angle A equal to 90 degree. In this figure, triangle BAP, tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular by base. Tan 45 equal to 20 upon x. Tan 45 equal to 1, 20 upon x. Here x equal to 20 meter. In triangle CAP, AC upon AP equal to tan 60 degree. H plus 20 by x equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree equal to root 3. H plus 20 upon x upon 20. Put the value of x equal to 20. By cross multiply, 20 root 3 minus 20 equal to h. Taking 20 common, root 3 minus 1. This is the height of the tower. In next question number 8. A statue of 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of a pedestal. Pedestal means एक मंच के ऊपर एक 1.6 meter tall statue है. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation top of the statue is 60 degree. Statue का angle of elevation 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Here is a pedestal of height h and statue 1.6 meter. Top of the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Suppose here is a point A, B, C and D. Tan 45 degree equal to BC upon AB. Tan 45 degree equal to H upon X. 1 H equal to X. Next, tan 60 degree equal to 1.6 plus H. Perpendicular is H plus 1.6 upon X. Tan 60 degree equal to root 3. 1.6 plus H. X equal to H. By taking cross multiply, H root 3 equal to 1.6 plus H. By solving this, H equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1 and rationalize the denominator by multiplying its conjugate root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1, here A plus B, A minus B is root 3 square minus 1 square equal to 2. By cancel by 2, 0.8 equal to root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the height of the pedestal. Thank you. Question number 9 of the chapter height and distance. Up to question number 8 I have completed in the last video. The question number 9, the angle of elevation of a top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the distance between them is 9, if the tower height of the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Angle of elevation top of the building from the foot of the tower. See the figure. Here is tower, here building. The angle of elevation from the foot of the tower of the building is 30 degree. And from the foot of the building, top of the tower angle is 60 degree. If tower is 50 meter high, this is tower and this is building. Find the height of the tower and the distance between them, let the distance between them is x. Take this right triangle A, B, C. Angle B equal to 90 degree. H upon X perpendicular by base equal to tan 30 degree. It means h upon x equal to 1 by root 3. Here h equal to x upon root 3. In this triangle BCD, angle C 90 degree, 50 by x perpendicular by base equal to tan theta, tan 60 degree. Perpendicular by base equal to tan 60 degree, 50 by x equal to root 3. X equal to 50 by root 3. Put the value of x in this. We find the height of the building. X 50 by root 3 divided by root 3. It means 50 by 3 meter. It means 16 whole 2 by 3 meter. This is the height of the building. This is question number 9. Next, question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. Road है 80 meter wide, both side pole. From the point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the pole. Here are two poles of equal height. AB and CD are two poles standing vertically. A point P between them, the angle of elevation of one is 60 degree and angle of elevation of other is 30 degree. They have equal heights. Let the height of them h. First point is at the distance of x. Total distance between two poles is 80. So here PC equal to 80 minus x. Taking the ratio tan theta, tan 30 degree equal to h upon x, perpendicular by base. Tan 30 degree h upon x. X equal to h root 3. This is the first. Second, tan 60 degree h upon 80 minus x. Tan 60 degree equal to root 3. H 80 minus h root 3. Root 3 minus 3h. Root 3 into root 3 equal to h. 4h equal to 80 root 3. It means height equal to divided by 4, 20 root 3 meter. And x equal to h root 3. H root 3. H 20 root 3 into root 3. X is 60 meter and other point is 80 minus x. It means 80 minus 60, 20 meter. The point P from the first pole is 60 meter and other pole is 20 meter and height of the tower is 20 root 3 meter. A TV tower is stand vertically on a bank of a canal from the point on the other bank, directly opposite to the tower. The figure is given. The angle of elevation top of the tower is 60 degree. From the another point 20 meter away from the point on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower. Here is a tower, river, 20 meter away angle of elevation is 30 degree. From this point angle of elevation is 60 degree. Find the width of the canal and height of the tower. See, this is a figure of question number 11. Taking tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular by base h upon x. Root 3 equal to h upon x. Here h equal to x root 3. In next, tan 30 degree equal to h upon x plus 20. Tan 30 1 by root 3. H is equal to x root 3 by x plus 20. By cross multiplying root 3 3x equal to x plus 20. 2x, be getting x equal to 10 meter. And height is equal to x root 3. It means 10 root 3 meter. The height is 10 root 3 meter and x equal to 10 meter. This is up to question number 11. And from 12 to 16 you will get in the next video. Thank you.